Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, August the 2nd. No surprise, fresh new highs yesterday to start the month, start the week, and start the day, obviously. Down 4 at the finish at 2165 in the S&P futures, but did post a new peak at 2178 and then backed off. Dow futures down 35. It's been almost 2 weeks since those highs in the Dow, which has really stalled, and the Nasdaq's been moving higher. New highs yesterday, 47.45 was a close, up 18 points for a 0.5% boost. The dollar did see a bit of a bounce after this turn lower. It was up 20 yesterday. The euro currency down 11, back below that 112. Treasury saw a little bit of unwinding, still at the midpoint of this major action between 177 and 170, closing at 173.5 yesterday, down a full point. The action was in crude, down 3%, new 3-month lows, now in bear market territory. The low yesterday was 39.82. We'll come back to that in a second. The close was down 3%, down $1.55 at $40.05 a barrel. Boosting from the dollar sell-off here recently, we've seen gold steady. It's at $13.60, up $2 yesterday. In a tight range yesterday, $13.62 the high, $13.53 was the low. So, after the action yesterday with new highs in stocks, but then backing off once again and moving down to support, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? Steady to a bit lower, down 4 in the S&P, down 20 in the Dow, and down 6 in the Nasdaq. The story is the dollar continuing to move lower, down another 40 today, more than month lows. We're at 45.27, given that euro currency a punch to the upside, up 27 at 112.18. Crude oil is getting a bounce with that weaker dollar, 40.65, up 60 cents. The low of the session so far was 3 cents above yesterday's low, so a higher low on this session so far this morning. We're up 60 cents. And also benefiting from that weaker dollar is gold, up $10 at $13.70, a 0.75% boost. So to wrap up this current action with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open, a bit of weakness in the stock indexes, down 4 in the S&P, down 20 in the Dow, and down 6 in the Nasdaq. But let's remember, we're still in the midst of earnings season that's done very, very well. We look at the earnings estimates, we beat about 70% of the time on the S&P stocks that have announced and beat on 55% of the revenues. So far, so good. If you exclude energy, we would be a bit positive for the quarter, but that's been the drag. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.